Hey guys, Drew Bivona back at it with another episode of Chicken Nuggie Reviews. Today we are in Bellaire. We're at Palace Social. This place is a kid mecca. There's a bowling alley over there. There's an arcade thing. There's a full bar for the adults and then a huge menu with a lot of cool food on it. Of course, today we're here to try the chicken nuggets. You remember the rules. How crispy is it? What does it taste like? How are the fries? And how's the dip? This is what we got. Look, I'll tell you this right now. These chicken tendies kind of look like they were frozen. That doesn't mean they're not good. In fact, these little conveyor belt marks right here, my wife loves that. Your kid probably likes it too. There's no dip on this plate. That's all right. You got to do it yourself. These are hot. We're going to start off with the fries. Look well seasoned, super crispy. Fries great. Let's try this. You hear that? Let's give it a shot. If you like chicken tendies that you get at like the amusement park, this is exactly what this is. A lot of breading, but the chicken's super moist. I give this B-.